Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt, a V-Twin Visionary, and we're back on the Rockford Fosgate Harley-Davidson V-Twin Visionary 2021 Street Glide build. Not only did we want the bike looking good, we wanted to run good as well. So we did put a cam in the bike, and we did a full custom paint job on it, color treatment, added a Screamin Eagle air cleaner, and put some really cool other parts on it. We also put a set of Screamin Eagle plug wires on it to make sure that thing fires right. As you can see, the motor turned out super badass. Quad color, Screamin Eagle stuff all over it, like I said. It's ready to rip. But we decided to take this whole bike one step further and try Harley-Davidson's end game floorboards and brake levers and the shifter lever. They all look really cool. For my money, I think this is some of the coolest stuff, not just that Harley makes, but anybody makes right now. Stay tuned.